is I'm going to give you an informal walkthrough of the whizkit. So this is how it should look like after it's completely assembled. And from this point, what we're going to do is we're going to log into the Wiz test drive, which can be accessed through the whiz.fun website, and it's actually how you will do a lot of the web control stuff. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to put this on the track, and then we'll come back to our web controller, and we also have the actual RC car controller, which is a PS3 controller, and now you can use this through Bluetooth or you can use it through a wired connection. So after that, what you're going to do is you're going to select gamepad. The first thing you're going to want to do is, after you have the controller set up, is practice driving around the track so that you can actually get good at driving around the track consistently without too much error. And we've had a decent amount of practice, so we're just going to hop right into it. So from here, now what you can do is you can go around the track that you create at least 10 times to collect enough image data.
So what I just did there was finish up the last couple laps of our data collection process. And the artificial intelligence concept that we're trying to use here is called behavioral cloning. And what that means is that it's going to take an image frame and try to match what you did in that image frame. So the better you get at driving, the better the autopilot performs. And so what we're going to do now is take the 3 pieces of data: throttle data, steering angle data, and image data, and upload it into Google Colab. I'm going to walk you through the post data collection process. So what we're going to do now is take all that data you collected and upload it into Google Colab. And so how you do that is you hit Start Training. And once Google Colab loads, we can start going through the basics of processing this data. And the reason why we use Google Colab is simply because it provides higher computing power than your local machine. So first thing we want to do is set up the pre-training environment. So after setting up the pre-training environment, what you want to do is upload the data that you've just collected, and keep in mind it'll take some time because you're uploading thousands of images. Now that you've uploaded your data, check to make sure it's there, and if it is, you'll see a tub file in the directory, the data directory. Now hit play on step 3, which starts training your autopilot model. Your autopilot model should take anywhere from 3 to 10 minutes to process all the images. And after that, go to step 4, and now you can download your autopilot model. Make sure you change the name of your autopilot to match what you had named earlier. So now that we've processed the data using Colab, we download the autopilot model and we upload it here. So this is our demo model, and there are 2 different kinds of autopilot, which you select here. One is local pilot, which is both steering angle and throttle is controlled by the autopilot model. What we're going to show you today is the local angle, and that is only the angle, and the throttle is just set to a constant max. So yeah, check it out. As you can see, I'm not touching the controller. It's driving itself. It identifies features. That's why we have a broken line and two thick quarter lines. But yeah, the nice thing is you can build any kind of track.